you can drag and drop test data onto the platform as an Excel file. Then you can create AI models without knowing how to code. And we do this by providing a default model created automatically from your data and then providing experts with an easy to use tool to improve the model by adding any analytical equations there might have or defining relative material processing and property interactions. Next, you can define your search space. This is where you can make sure that the candidate formulations the system will suggest are feasible both from a practical and business perspective. And lastly, you can set target properties, generate a ranked list of experiments that then you can take to the lab. And because the platform not only predicts properties, but also estimates the uncertainty of predictions, you will know whether the experiment is a safe bet or more exploratory. So you can then make good strategic decisions on what to take to the lab. This is what drives the reduction in the number of experiments you need and reduces those development cycles. Once you've created and tested the suggested ingredient or additive, the test results can then be added back onto the platform and the AI retrained to make predictions more accurate. In this way, you have a learning loop that gets closer and closer to your performance targets. So what does that mean from your point of view? Let's say that you need to respond to your customer's request and provide a new ingredient that will solve their problems. With the Citrine platform, you can leverage data from previous projects with your customers, their properties of interest, what they're interested in improving, and your detailed information of how you've made your ingredients. With a few clicks, you can create an automatically configured AI model that can predict performance on these properties that your customer cares about. And then you can create a search space that contains your ingredients and potentially the ingredients of your rivals so that the system can suggest the best ingredients for the final formulation. And finally, you can generate candidate formulations and color code them by ingredient. The results are a list of new AI suggested formulation recipes. And on the Citrine platform, you can quickly see which of your ingredients would be the best for this type of formulation. So with the Citrine platform, you can show not only that your ingredient can produce superior performance, but also how certain you are that it will hit target requirements before you go to the lab.